Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to create Set Shuffle Wallpaper. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper, and now click on Add New Wallpaper. So here you will notice a Photo Shuffle at the top of the list, smoothly marker. Click on Choose Photos manually, and now just pick the pictures that you would like to have in your Photo Shuffle wallpaper. And then just tap on Add. So now you can smoothly tap to preview to see all the pictures that you have in your Photo Shuffle wallpaper. Also, you can check how they will look on your home screen. You can obviously change the color palette if you wish, but I will stay with natural. Just go back. Okay, so here we've got it. Then tap on more icon and select shuffle frequency. So it can be daily, hourly, on lock or on tap. Let me choose on lock so I can show you how it works. Obviously pick the one that you wish to have, click on add. Then if you wish to have it on your home screen also, just tap on set as wallpaper pair. And from now on, with every lock, you will be able to notice another picture of yours. And this is it. This is how you can activate camera shuffle, photos, wallpaper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.